All right, guys. So now I'm gonna use do frequency separation. And if you don't know how to do frequency separation, we have plugins that can do frequency separation very, very fast. Okay, so for this one, I'm going to be using the Ultimate Retouch, and you can use any. You can use the RA Beauty Retouch. You can use this one. All are the same. So this is dodge and burn. This is frequency separation via Gaussian blur. You can use this one. So we can use this. So I'm just going to choose the one that's best fit. Let's use the ultimate retouch method. So just choose a blur value. I'm going to come here, and that value is too much. Let's zoom in towards the side, and it depends. If you already have a smooth, if you want more textures, like I said, if you want more texture, you actually blow at a higher value. If you want lesser texture and you want the skin is actually very rough, you are going to use a lesser blower value. So for this one, I want to focus here. So let's increase. So this should be okay. 2.7. We can use 3. Alright, so the first thing you're going to see when you run these actions is it's going to actually come to this side, and it's going to select the brush tool. So if you don't know how to use this Retouching Academy, there's a video on it. So one thing about plugin, you need to know where to edit. So for the low frequency, like I said, you need to know the basics. If you don't know the basics of what I taught in the first class, earlier classes, you're actually going to find it difficult to use the plugins. Alright, so now let's go ahead, and for the low frequency, we're going to use the mixer tool brush. And make sure the settings is like this. You can increase the width and decrease the mix or the flow. So it depends on the one that works for you. So let's go ahead. I'm going to start with this one, blending it together. Remember I said you need to keep blending. So this one is actually just the first step, okay, to blend the skin tones. This is not full blending. You need to first of all blend it before you start using blending it again with another frequency separation. So I'm just going to blend some places and come back, because we're going to still do another frequency separation. So something like that. Let's quickly blend all of this. So that's why we need to use a lesser blur value. So let's go ahead, delete. You can see. Okay, so let's go back. Another one, via Gaussian blur. This is too much. Let's focus on this side again. Increase just a bit. 2.1. It's okay. And it's actually going to create all of this. So I'm already on the mixer tool brush. I'm going to select the low frequency tone, and now we can blend. So I'm actually going to blend in like this till it's gone. Okay, so that one's gone. Let's remove this one. This is gone as well. Remember, we're just blending the tones. Let's remove this one, blend it together. It's gone. Blend this one together. So those are the ones I'm blending in for the first stage of frequency separation, because I'm going to be doing it twice. So I'll make sure everything is looking smooth. We can also blend some places. Okay, so blend like this. Okay, so since we have that blended, I can blend this one. Okay, but the textures are gone, so you don't need to worry about it. The video is the picture is of low resolution, so that's why we're having that. Okay, so now let's quickly blend this and move on to the next step. So this is just the first step, to blend the places that's visible. And if you notice, sometimes you need to blend most of all these colors together, especially the holes. If not, so something like that, just quickly blend, not everything. Okay, like the hair now, we can blend these two colors together. This is where you need to just blend some colors. So I'm going to quickly finish this and show you the outcome. Alright, so that's the first step of blending. We can use the high frequency, which is this one, and then choose the clone stamp tool and just fix some imperfections. We have this one. You can, if it doesn't go out, Ctrl Z. If you see that, just click on current layer and quickly fix on those. So the visible ones. Okay, so just like that. I'm gonna go ahead and see if there are imperfections on the face. So this is also time for you to fix the hair. You just need to do everything, to make your work look perfect. So like all of this. Let's come here and see. So this has to do with color. Okay, so let's say we are done with the first one. The next thing I'm going to do is to create a stem visible layer and then use another frequency separation. Let's use this one to Gaussian blur. Sorry. Now I'm going to blur it I. 2.5 should do. Let's just say 3. And it's okay. So this is just going to blend all the skin tones together. So now we have volume retouch, we have texture retouch. Okay, so these are the tools we're going to use. I'm going to start with the volume retouch. Go to the mixer tool brush and blend. So this is very simple. You blend and make sure this time around you blend everything together. So at the time you need to let's zoom out, take the picture up, make it smaller. So sometimes the texture is what you need. For this one, it's texture. Go to the texture, clone stamp tool. You need to start switching back and forth and just clean all of this one out like that. I can even remove all of this if I'm permitted. So something like this we can remove and remove. So you need to focus here now on so many things. Okay, so sorry I'm taking time. You can just watch and just know what I'm doing. Once you get the idea, you're already good to go. Okay, so I'm gonna pause the video and I'm gonna come back. You can see what I'm doing. This requires a lot of time and it's time consuming, like I said. So once you get the idea, you're ready. Okay, so now that you have that, we can go. You can also do somewhere here. Let's make it bigger and see what's going to happen when we blend all of those together. Okay, it's not actually affecting the colors, and we can fix that with dodging and burning, not to worry. Let's go ahead and fix all of this dirt. So this is where you fix your dirt, your textures, and all those. Now I'm going to go ahead to the back to the volume retouch. Click on the mixer tool brush, and we're going to blend it the more. And so there's one more trick here you need to know. You need to know. So just take your time. Take your time. So this is what I used to do. Sometimes after this I take it to capture one and then I do more processing on it. So let's go to the lips. Okay, we can do the lips later on when we're about doing the eyes and the rest. Now once we do that, I'm gonna grab this tool, the lasso tool, and I'm just gonna click on it. So this is where you need to know what you do. Go to the volume retouch, go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur, and you can blur it. So the more you blur, the more it have this thing. So just blur it till you have a very smooth skin. We can draw here. So each space have a different blur value. Go ahead, filter, Gaussian blur. Filter, blur, Gaussian blur. You can blur it. Okay, you can increase the feather. Let's blur this side. Go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur. So see what happens when I increase the blur. So we have it like this. It even makes the skin tones look the same the more. So that's gone. You can see just with that value. So like this. Let's go ahead, blur. Now it's gonna spill, so I'm gonna hit Alt, and remove it from this side, remove it from this side. Okay, so we can blur. Let's remove it a little bit from this side. Now go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur. Yeah, so it's just take it back a little bit. So we need that that shadow. Let's go ahead, take this one. I'm going to do this one by one like this, and then go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur. I'm going to blur it. Let's take this. It's okay. Let's blur this side. So you can increase the feather, decrease the feather. So blur, go again, filter, blur, Gaussian blur. Yep, so it's okay. So the more you blur, the more it blends. Let's go filter, blur, Gaussian blur. Now it's peeling. You can see how it's peeling. So once you have that done, we can still go ahead and see whichever one we didn't do properly. So I feel we didn't do this place properly. Filter, Gaussian blur, and that's okay. Now for the nose, we can do so as well. Let's add this to it. Now don't make it look flat, so blur, Gaussian blur. Let's take it out. Let's see the outcome before. We need all of those. Take it. Yep, so it's okay. So it looks smooth now. Yeah, it looks smooth. We can even do this side. Let's add this side to it. Add this side to it. Sorry about the image not in high resolution. We're just trying to manage it. Okay, so take it backward. You're gonna see what you are doing. That should be good. It's okay. So the idea is don't make it look flat. Now we're good. Okay, so for the hair, let's see. We can just select a particular place like this. Let's see how if we can blend it. Filter, where is it now? Open it up. Volume retouch, filter, blur, Gaussian blur, and increasing it. This is what increasing it does. So let's make it look realistic. Okay, this looks good to me, even if it looks, we can correct that with what's it called, dodging and burning. So you guys have to wait till they're on filter. Let's do this as well, Gaussian blur. So that's all gone, and you can do almost anything you want to do. So but for this one, I think we're okay with this. So let's create a time visibility. I'll Ctrl Shift Alternate here and move on to the next step. The next step now is to do some micro dodging and burning.